Taʻafa lava, and a warm welcome to our distinguished guests, the captains and crews and supporters who are gathered here for the 26th Annual Samoa International Game Fishing Tournament. This year, we are honored to host an impressive overseas representation of boats, including 5 from New Zealand, 6 from American Samoa, and of course a very impressive local representation of 17 boats flying the Samoan flag. I understand our Tongan boat hasn't arrived yet. Unlike last year, this year's tournament is doubling as the inaugural Neptune Pacific Direct Pacific Islands Game Fishing Tournament. This is the first of its kind in the Pacific. After Samoa, the boats are off to American Samoa and then to Tonga for the final leg. Over the next week of competition, no doubt friendships will be forged and stories will be told over a few cleansing ales. Stories of how you landed the big one and stories of how you dropped the big one. The latter being where tall tales associated with fishing come from. Only you and your crew know this, so you can embellish to no end. The fish can be as big as you say, and no one will know any better. For our overseas guests, I hope that you will take some time to explore our beautiful Samoa, experience our culture, our people, and our diverse landscapes. In closing, I would like to congratulate President Warren Simpson and SIGFA for putting together yet another great event, and in particular for initiating the first ever Pacific Islands Fishing Tournament. For all the participants, may your lines be tight and the fish aplenty. Please be safe, and I wish you all the best of luck. Tatalaina lava, and let the 26th Samoa International Game Fishing Tournament begin.